If you don't have a website or blog to promote Amazon products, it's no longer a barrier to make money on Amazon. It's so easy, it takes less than 5 minutes to set up. In this video, you will see exact steps on how to promote Amazon products without a website. Recently, Amazon opened up a new platform which is an extension of their Amazon Associates account called Amazon Influencer Program. It allows you to join Amazon using various social media accounts. This program was designed with social media influencers in mind. You simply need an engaged followership on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook or Instagram. Keep watching. I will first give you some background details about the Amazon Influencer Program, how you can get it set up, and then show you some real life examples of how to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing without a website. So how does it work? What makes this platform really different is that you aren't sharing Amazon affiliate links to individual products. Instead, Amazon sets you up with a virtual storefront, which is your Amazon influencer page. You will get an Amazon page with an easy to remember URL. The username of the selected social media channel will usually be the URL of the Amazon page. You will get paid for every single purchase made by your followers through your Amazon influencer page. If you apply with Twitter or YouTube, you will get an immediate response. Instagram and Facebook are personally vetted and may take up to 5 days. They don't list any minimal qualifications on their site, so you can give it a try even if you have a small following. You don't need to get approved for each platform, just one will do. So choose an account which has the largest audience and engagement. If you're wondering where you can share your Amazon influence link, here are some real life examples from Amazon influencers for your inspiration. Starting with Amazon affiliate marketing on YouTube. Bailey B has created a video about her favorite beauty products, and in the description you see the link to her Amazon influencer page. This is just like adding an ordinary Amazon Associates link on YouTube. Only thing is much more readable, and you can even say it out loud within your video. Another YouTuber, Cocktail Chemistry, has Amazon influencer page URL in their about section of the YouTube channel. Switching to Instagram, you see Grace has a link in the Instagram bio. If I click this, it goes to the Linktree page, which also features her Amazon influencer page. She has a post which has a picture which tells the price and ends by saying, "The link to the item is in my bio and they are also on my Amazon influencer page, which is also linked in my bio." See how many followers have already bought it via her link? Moving on to Twitter. You see this user having an Amazon influencer link in her bio and also promoting it within tweet. On Facebook, you can include the link in your about section. Similar to previous platforms, you can also link in your posts as well. Now you know how to make money with Amazon affiliate program without a website. Now it's your turn to add some of those frequently recommended products or even seasonal gifts into your Amazon influencer page. You can add product recommendations along with a little note about the product. So let's look at how you can add products to the Amazon influencer page you just created. I'm not a huge fan of the process of adding products into the page. You will start by visiting Amazon just as you would if you were shopping for something. That's easy enough. But when you find the product you want to add, you need to click Add to List box and then select your influencer page. You can then add comments to your recommendations by visiting your influencer list under the list section of your Amazon account. Under the product, select Add Comment. This is a great opportunity to explain why you love the product and how it will benefit your follower. When a follower visits your page, they will see a little note button which they can hover over to see what you have to say. So keep your products to about 10-15 items so that it's easy for someone to browse through and select what they want. So now you know how to promote Amazon products without a website. If you are active on social media, why not give this a try? If you learned something new from this video, please give it a like. I upload videos every Saturday filled with actionable tips to grow your audience and income with video. Make sure you subscribe.